welcome again. In this tutorial, we're going to learn about the basic UI of Camtasia video editing software. So let's just open the software, and first there are three options. We can create a new project, we can start recording or screen recording, and we can also open a previously worked on projects as well. So we're gonna hit on new projects that as we have not any previous project to work on. So just hit on new project, and it will take some time to take us to the main interface. Okay, just expand it a little more. We do not need any updated versions as it a crack software, so we're going to select no, and there you have it. We have our main UI for the Camtasia Studio, and this is how the Camtasia Studio 9 looks like. And here we have a preview window where we can preview the video that we're editing. We can select the zoom percentage and all. We can do all sort of stuff here. You can just play from here, and on the left side we can select video files. We can add annotation, kind of a text in our videos. A number of times I've seen the text pops up when someone's talking or someone naming some institutions. The text pops up. This kind of work can be done from annotations. And we can add transition. We can see when we add two videos together, then there is some kind of a pause. We can use transition in that pause so that it does look natural. And there's other things like animations, different kind of video effects, voice narration, audio effects, and all that. So we're going to learn about all that in our next lessons. So let's just head to the bottom. So these are called tracks. So we'll be using these tracks to edit our video. So whenever we import a video, for example, let's just import a video. Like I have quite a few videos here. For example, I have a print of a recording of my class. So for example, we have added a video to our media playlist. So first thing we have to do in the Camtasia Studio is just drag this video on this track. So now we can start editing. So let us right click on the just start on play, and it will just preview the video. It will just start previewing the video. So whenever we move this cursor, we can move along with the timeline of the video. So this is kind of fun. So we can take many tracks, like we have just used this track for videos. We can add, if we want to add external audio here, we can use another tag. Like just adding a track is really simple. We can just insert a track above or below. Just let's say we want to insert a track down below of this video. We can add a audio file, we can add a image file. So we're gonna see the extensive use of these tracks whenever we move ahead in our course. So this track concept will be more easier whenever we start. We're gonna show a real-time video editing. So this is where this tracks comes really handy. Whenever we have so many elements, like we have a video, we have a different audio file, we have different kind of takes that we want to add in this video, we have different kind of animations, or we have different kind of images that we want to add into our videos. That's when this tracks comes into play, and it's really convenient to use whenever we have editing with so many tools or software, so many videos or so many audios or so many images like that. So at that time this tracks really comes handy. So in our lecture we're going to see all that. Thank you for listening.